Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to name organic compounds with functional groups. We will go step by step through the process, ensuring you can confidently identify and name various structures. Understanding these rules is fundamental for anyone studying organic chemistry, as it provides a universal language for describing molecules. We will cover the essential principles, from identifying the parent chain to incorporating all substituents and functional groups into the final name. The first crucial step is to identify the longest continuous carbon chain that includes the primary functional group. This chain will serve as the backbone, or parent hydrocarbon of your compound's name. For example, a chain of 5 carbons would be a pentane derivative. Simultaneously, pinpoint the highest priority functional group, such as an alcohol or a ketone, as this will dictate the suffix of the compound's name. This foundational step is essential for accurate nomenclature. Next, number the carbon atoms in your parent chain. Begin numbering from the end that gives the primary functional group the lowest possible locant, or position number. For instance, if an alcohol is on the second carbon from one end and the fourth from the other, you would number to give it the 2 position. Then, identify any alkyl groups or other atoms attached to the main chain, naming them as substituents. Finally, assemble the full name by combining all the pieces. Start by listing the substituents alphabetically, each preceded by its carbon number. For example, 2-methyl or 3-ethyl. Then, state the parent chain name, indicating if it is an alkane, alkene, or alkyne. Conclude with the suffix for the primary functional group, also including its position number. This systematic approach ensures a unique and descriptive name for every organic compound.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.